Hear ye, it is I. Right now I'm finna go pick up an Apple Watch. Oh, I don't have no chain. Okay. I'm going to pick up my Apple Watch. We did. There's a lot of people around here, so I'm gonna put my mask on. Ooh wee. Excuse me, y'all. I'm on it. Alright, so I'm going to the little store to get this Apple Watch added to the collection. You did, so I can be on space time and human time and space time. You did Earth time and space time. So you know I'm from another planet. You did. Nice little poochie. Nice little poochie. So yeah, I'm gonna holler at y'all in a second. Okay, I reloaded. Hear ye. It is I, the Supreme King. I'm gonna unboxing of my Apple Watch. See it. Let's see if I can do it with one hand. Do this, we need to understand that you never know what God has in store for you. When you focus on greatness, then you know that God only has greatness in store for you. You dig? Let's see here. So this is going to be my, oops, let's not that like that. This is going to be my space watch. It's going to be my space watch. That's tight. Ooh, that's tight. Because you know I'm not from this planet. You dig? So this right here, that's my earthly watch, and this is going to be my space watch. Ooh, got a band with it. Okay. What's this right here? Okay. Is this little charger mode? Okay. See it? Big face. It's that big face SC. You dig? Yes, sir. The big face SE. How do I open this? Right here. Let's see. Got an opening. Ooh. Pop it like that. Let's see. Pull him out. Pull him out. Young King, pull him out. This is only for superstar content. Maybe that's when it came out first. Mind you, I'm trying to do this with one hand, ladies and gentlemen. Do it like this. You gotta be G-H-E-T-T-O with it sometimes. Yeah. Okay, I thought it was a different band, but that's cool. That's that soldier. Yeah, I like that. Yeah, nice, comfortable, militant. You did. Ooh. So that's my iWatch. You did. So like, subscribe, and share this video. You did. I told you it was turning up. So when you see me, you see, you know, one on one arm, and you see one on the other, then you'll understand. One is for, it's like basically, I'm basically asking you what type of time you want. You understand? What type of time you want? You want earthling time, or you on intergalactical time? You did. So I'm gonna holler at y'all in a minute. I'm supreme, I'm supreme, supreme, I'm supreme, and I brought my own team. Hey, supercalifragilisticexpialidocious, superstar coach Chris is so ferocious.